Hi, I'm Susan, and I'm going to talk about the one thing that I absolutely love to do every day. All right, so with that little intro, I want to talk about organization. I'm kind of a neat freak. I'm kind of that organized mentality, but I want to put a challenge out there. We're stepping into the holiday season. We just passed Halloween. We have an extra hour for fallback time coming up. So let's use that 1 hour to challenge ourselves to get into an organizational process. Whether it be a cabinet, whether it be a closet, whether it be a drawer. Starting the process of getting yourselves organized is extremely exciting, motivated, and great for mental health. So the thing that I like is when I walk into a client's house, we have an appointment to walk a house, to give tips, ideas, staging ideas. So we have that consultation and we put together a plan of what we're going to do to enhance our value. As people are doing that, they're growing to kind of love getting rid of the extra things that they may or may not need for their new house. But let's think about that for our current homes as well. When you buy a shirt, donate a shirt. When you buy a dress, donate a dress. It's a great way to keep your closet clear. But let's talk about that everyday clutter. And I do it too. Even though I am very organized, I also, when I'm gathering up holiday items, I might set them to the side, not put them back in the right box that they go to, and all of a sudden I have a pile or a clutter of things. Y'all know what I'm talking about. We all do it. So making a spot for those items that's easily accessible helps you from spending money trying to buy them next season, and also taking care of your products so they last longer. So this time of year, as we're going from holiday to holiday to holiday, this is a great time to start the process. Organization, donation, even selling on your favorite websites. I can always tell when a client is really digging into this concept on Facebook Marketplace. We start to see them really getting energized on being able to sell those extra items. And remember, this time of year, those extra item sales can help you for the holiday shopping. So let's challenge each other. And whether it be a cabinet, and I'm going to start with a cabinet that I got into last night that's not quite as organized as I want it to be. I'm going to take a picture of it this evening. I'm going to spend my hour that I get from the fallback time, and I'm going to spend 1 hour organizing that cabinet. And I'm hoping that means I'm going to challenge myself for the next 10 days to spend half hour to 3 hours organizing something. Now, you might say, gosh, that's overwhelming, but if you spend a few minutes every day getting those areas into shape, you're going to find out that you love that area even more. Send me your photos, your before, your after, so that we can help you and help others motivate themselves to get your house all neat, tidy, ready, but extra things like donations this time of year, extra cash from selling through Marketplace, and really just feeling better about the area that you live in. You can always send me questions, but send me your photos at susan@susanbrewer.com, and we'll make sure that we're helping others by watching our challenge together.